Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alka. In this video, I am gonna show you how to prepare restaurant style dry chili chicken. It's a great Indian starter recipe. I will try my best to share all tips and tricks to make a perfect dry chili chicken at home. Friends, thanks for supporting my channel. I'm trying to reach you with new recipes in every video. If you have not yet subscribed my channel and watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more notification of upcoming videos. If you like my videos and recipes, do like, comment and share with your family and friends. Let's begin with this recipe. I have here taken 400 grams of boneless breast piece chicken. You can take thigh piece along with breast piece for this recipe. Transferring the chicken to a mixing bowl, I am going to marinate the chicken. I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and then 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half piece of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of cold or chill water. Adding cold water will add moisture to the chicken and will make chicken more juicy. Salt to taste. Salt with cold water will help to dissolve the salt properly into the chicken and will make the chicken more juicy. I am going to refrigerate this for about 30 to 40 minutes. If possible, you can refrigerate for about 2 hours. After 30 minutes of marination, I am gonna fry the chicken. For that, you need to make a smooth batter to give a layer to the chicken pieces. So, adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, maida, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour makes chicken more crispy. Half tablespoon of baking powder. Mix everything together. I prefer thin layers, so added equal amount of cornstarch and maida. You can add 4 tablespoons of maida if you want thick layer. There was already some cold water in the marination, so I didn't have to add any more water. If your batter is dry, add some cold water and make it smooth. Heat the oil for frying over high flame. Once oil becomes super hot, turn the flame to medium, then drop the chicken pieces carefully. Fry the chicken from both sides until it becomes golden brown. Chicken is done now. I am transferring to another plate. Chicken has become nice golden brown in color and crispy. Let's get on to next process. Before making chili chicken, let me show you ingredients I have taken. 1 green capsicum or bell pepper, I have cut this into square pieces. 1 onion, half yellow bell pepper to add more color, 10 to 12 chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion, 1/4 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped white onion, 3 chopped green chili, half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and some oil for cooking. Take a kadhai or big frying pan or a wok. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil. Saute garlic and ginger for about 30 to 40 seconds. Next, white onion and green chilies. Cook everything over high flame. Do not overcook. I am adding onion, then green and yellow capsicum, and do a stir fry for about 2 minutes. Salt to taste. Kashmiri red chili powder. Do not add more salt as soy sauce already contains salt. Now adding remaining ingredients one by one. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Mix everything together and do a stir fry for another 1 minute. Half tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Adding mixture of half tablespoon of cornstarch with water to thicken the gravy. If you want more gravy, add more amount of water with cornstarch. I took only half tablespoon of cornstarch as I am preparing dry chili chicken. Kill some spring onion. And stir fry for about half minute. It's almost done now. Turning the flame to low, adding chicken pieces and just mix everything together so that chicken will be well coated with the sauce. Our delicious dry chili chicken is ready. Serve hot. Give this a try and enjoy this yummy starter recipe with your family and friends. I am transferring to a serving plate. It looks juicy, crispy and nice in color. Garnishing with some more spring onion. I had yellow chili, so just adding it to make it more colorful. I hope you like my recipe. Give this a try and share your feedback and comment down in comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button to get notification of new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye and enjoy.